it should store it in a file. It should store the list of it in a file. Is that good? So, who has ideas on how, apart from those who, like that guy said here, apart from those who are, and of course our HOD, those who have Linux or ProS, apart from them, what do you think would be our solution? So here's the task. The task is look for every PDF file on my machine. That's number one. Number two, or you can write it down. Number two is what? Save the list of those files to a file. That's interesting. Now there is a useful application for such a thing. There is one of them here. I have it here. Yeah, right. This is a script that I've written. I don't know how you can do this.
Yeah, I will look. Solomon.
Right, so this is a file that a function that I wrote to help me back up my camera. And in our office we have cameras. The cameras save their information directly on my PC, and the space I've allocated for them is just 6 GB. So you know that it gets full. So I have to always be sending it whenever I come to the office. I have to now empty that drive, and then to send all the data to a bigger space. Send all the data to a bigger space all the time. Right? But with this, it does that all that for me. And one catch I have in that place is if the machine gets restarted, it renames the files to 2013. So I have a script that renames, changes the name to the current date before it moves it to that place. So what it does here is, this is the file. So it first of all checks if I have included any parameter, because there are two directions, Yankee and Precious. So if I have not included it, it will run this command asking me to include it. Then this is my source folder. This is where I want to copy it to. This is today's date to reset. This is the log. It creates a log for me. And then it renames any folder that is 2013-0101. It will rename it to 2013-0101 to today, appending today's date to it. Right? And then it will list all the files except today's file, because sometimes when it's backing it up, the directory of the current day is also there. So I want to copy all the files except the one that is occurring today. So I have to find a mechanism to compare. So I compare, list all the files except those ones that are today. Then he lists them, he backs them up for me. So in your case, what do you think you are going to do? How are you going to, first of all, find the files, all your machine, all PDF files, remember, all PDF files, and then create a list of all those files onto your machine. I thought students like exams. Or you want areas. Your areas, everything, the whole show. The whole show. Okay, let's walk through that. Okay. Now, what we are going to do is right. So let me increase the font size a bit.
There's no one at the back.
Right. So now, what's the first assignment? The first instruction. Find all PDF files. So we know a command to do what? To find. Right. If you didn't know what should you have done? Man-k grep or man-k find. So let's try that. Let's assume we didn't know. So we say man-k find. So you can get some directly find things on the network. So you search through and where you see find. So find here, search for files in. So then you can just do a manual on this one. Okay, since we already have that, now we can say find where? What was it? Find all PDF files where? On that, everywhere in that computer. So we know from our lesson in the file system that this symbol symbolizes what? The whole machine. So find the whole machine. Then INAME is a parameter. So INAME is a parameter. INAME means set for the keyword I'm going to give you, but case insensitive. It doesn't matter whether it's capitals or small letters. But if there's only name, it will set for only that case. Right. So INAME, then star. I've written down wildcards, but star means any file, whether it is starting with letters is cool.pdf or JS is coming soon.pdf, as long as it ends with .pdf, catch it for me, right? No matter the name, it can be any name, but ending with what? PDF. So any name ending with what? PDF. So that's what that means. Any name ending with PDF, right? So what's the next command? The next is to find all PDFs on this machine and what? Create a list for them. Now I've not taught you about creating files, but this is the command. You move. This brings us back to our standard input, standard output scenario. Standard input, standard output, you always have to remember that it's very powerful. So you can send the standard output to another program using what? The pipeline, right? You use the pipeline. So you use that vertical bar, you send it to another program, right? But you can also send it to a file. So a file is not a program, right? A file is a file is just a connection of data, right? But a program is a connection of commands. Right? So you want to send the output to what? A file. So you are not going to use a pipeline. You are going to use an angle bracket. One angle bracket means create a new copy all the time. Whether it's there or it's not there. If it is there, clean whatever is there and put a new copy there. Double means if it is there, just append to it. Just add the new result to the old one. So that means you are keeping the copy of the previous ones, right? So you are not creating a new copy. Right? That is what double angle bracket is. Single angle bracket is if you had the files and it is 1 gigabyte in size, delete everything and start a new copy. And you don't always want to do that. Right? Sometimes you want to be keeping a log. For example, it's a log, you want to be adding to it gradually. So, but if you are creating a new one, then you can do that. So in our case, we are going to use just a single one. So then I'm going to say, save it to a file named maybe find.txt, or let's say found. Found. Oh. Found.txt. Okay, no, let me just do it. Found. Then I'll hit enter. Now, please watch all these things. You said permission denied is on this. Right? This is a standard error. Standard error means it is an error. That's okay. But you see where it is putting it? It's putting on the screen. You see? So, if you want to, you can do what? Change the direction of standard error. Because Linux lets you do that. So if you don't want it to be on the screen, all this permission denied, this not found, and all those things. If you don't want it to be on the screen, you want to throw it somewhere, you can do that. So let us see the result of what we had so far. So if you do an ls now, okay, still find it, so maybe you have a look. You can see found, right? So it has created a file called what? Found. And all the files that it found, their names are stored here. You see? Now, what's the difference? You see, there is no .txt. You see? In Windows, you cannot do something like this. Just create a file without an extension, because there is nothing like extension in Linux. So there is no differentiation between a txt file and a z file. They are all equals. They are all equals. You see? So, found. So now let us cat found. Cat found now. Cat. Oh, sorry. So these are all the files that it found. Any PDFs. If you watch the last, they are all PDF on the entire machine. So you see, it saw some users at local. It will find some in. It will find some. Let's do that on the less. Let's do that on the less. So you see, it has seen media in a certain drive. It has seen a PDF file in different drives. It keeps seeing different PDF files. So what does this mean? It now means that I have a log of all books on my machine. As simple as that. So if I'm looking for a certain book, I can just enter into this place and look for where the directory is, and I'm done. You see, very simple. So I have a log of all books on my machine. So what does that mean? You can change this to PDF, from PDF to MP3. You can change it to MP4. So you want to look for all videos on your machine. You want to look for all music on your machine. You want to look for all books on your machine. You can do that. I hope you don't understand. Okay. Now, if you look at the commands that I showed you, right? If you watch this command that we executed. This command, what is it saying? It is saying that find the entire machine, from the entire machine, this certain name, any name ending with PDF, right? And the results, put the result in found, right? Put the result in found. Now, we've done that and we've seen a long list of results, right? And that happens to be A PDF is what? Your text. Is usually books. Right? Most books are written in PDF. So you have gotten a log of every book on your machine. Except or otherwise maybe you updated a new version. Or you added new books. Do you understand? Now, let us think in terms of what I showed you. Mounting this thing onto this one. What do you think is going to happen? When I mount this machine onto this machine and I run this command, what do you think will happen? Good. It will also search this machine. Do you understand? So it will also search this machine because I've mounted it as if it is on this machine. So it is not a remote desktop connection. So it is as if this machine is here. So if I'm searching, I might as well search this place. And it searches it for you. So if you mount, let's say, all these machines are connected to just this machine. And I run a search like this. It will search the entire computer. Easy, just one line of code. Next can never happen in Windows. Never. Don't even think of it. Don't even dream. It can't happen. So I think Linux is cool, right? Yeah, Linux is cool. Right. So let's move on. The next is on I've talked of aliases. Alright, I'm going to make this an alias. So right, if I want to do this all the time, that means I have to always be typing, find this. Cats farm. Now, I've not made this an alias. So imagine I made this one a very long command. So if I have to do that command, although Linux is cool, but I'm always writing the long commands, right? So you now have to make it an alias. So now do VI. If let me do VI. But make sure that you are in your home directory. So make sure this is the directory you're in. Right. So just do CD. CD will take you straight home. That one it doesn't miss. Straight home. You're always back home. Okay. So vi.bash rc. I already have it. So let me just do vi.bash rc. vi.bash rc. Now, if you do vi.bash rc, what do you see? Just this. But you see something blinking on top, right? Yes. And let's yes, but it's something blinking, but it comes left. Yes. So that is vi is a text editor, like that Microsoft Word, right? But I'm going to use this opportunity to show you some tricks in vi. And why I think this is the most powerful text editor in the world, especially for programmers, and of course Linux users. It's so powerful. Now, who is using a Windows machine? Here. Is it running? Okay. Thank you. So we are going to do a challenge. Windows versus Linux. Yes. Alright. So please, on your machine, run your this thing, Microsoft Word. That is your best. Bring your best. And I'll do the best. My mom just doesn't have fancy thing, just one small tab there, but we shall see. Okay. So. Let me do